The essence of sustainability is within us. It is a creation of our own, a stand and a principle that we uphold with pride and the passion to sustain. Linea Aqua strives to be the most environmentally sustainable swimwear solutions provider in the world.
Sustainability is a subject that has come up now as a buzzword in corporate culture. Everybody is talking about sustainability. But I really don't know whether anybody understands what the true meaning of sustainability is. It's not just about growing trees or protecting water or anything like that. It is an all-encompassing subject that covers all those aspects, from energy to conservation to everything that we do. And sustainability is important from a point of view that, one, the world is becoming a place where it's becoming overcrowded. There's going to be a massive population pressure on the world, and it's going to be important that every resource that we have is used in a sustainable manner. Secondly, as a responsible corporate entity, it is very important that we set an example of sustainability in the nation. And we don't do sustainability at Linea Aqua just because it's the right thing to do. It is because we have to do it now. We should. And it is an obligation as a corporate citizen, as a global citizen, that we set an example for sustainability in Sri Lanka and even among our partners around the world. That's why we commit so much time and effort towards our sustainability.
Linea Aqua has installed LED task lights to provide more light at the point of sewing and use less overhead, while the production floor LEDs reduce the amount of energy needed overall, while minimizing the waste from CFL. Skylights have been installed to bring more natural light onto the floor and reduce energy consumption overall.
We use solar power අපේ energy එක හොයා ගන්න. දැනට අපි panels 225ක් විතර install කරලා තියෙනවා අපේ ආයතනයේ. ඒකෙන් අපි 50 kilowatt විතර power එකක් අපේ energy consumption එකට දායක කරලා තියෙනවා. මේ හරහා අපිට පුළුවන් වෙලා සෑහෙන මුදලක් අපිට ගියපු electricity cost එක ඉතුරු කරගන්න. ඊට අමතරව මේකේ තව expansion එකක් අපි කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. sewage treatment plant එකත් සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම solar power වලින් run කරන්න අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා.
This is one of the solar chargers installed to promote the use of electric vehicles. Both our Naiwala and Hanwala plants use a water chiller as a centralized air conditioning system. This saves 1.3 and 0.6 to 0.7 kilowatts per ton at the respective locations. The use of push taps has brought water consumption down at our plants. These are the sensor taps installed to conserve water.
මේ plant එක තමයි Linea Aqua Naiwala ආයතනයේ තියෙන waste water treatment plant එක. ඒ වගේම anaerobic කියන බැක්ටීරියා විශේෂයක් මගින් තමයි මේ ප්‍රත්‍යක්ෂීකරණ ක්‍රියාවලිය සිදු කරනු ලබන්නේ. මේ දිනකට ලීටර් 50000ක් පමණ පිරිසිදු ජල ප්‍රමාණයක් පිට කිරීම සඳහා ධාරිතාවකින් සමන්විතයි. එම පිට කරනු ලබන ජල ප්‍රමාණය 15%ක් පමණ washroom flushing සඳහා භාවිත කරන අතර ඉතිරි ප්‍රමාණය garden එක සඳහා භාවිත කරනවා. ඒ වගේම දිනපතා pH අගය සහ ක්ලෝරින් ප්‍රතිශතය පරීක්ෂා කරනු ලබන අතර මාසයකට වරක් එම ක්ලෝරින් සහ pH ප්‍රමාණය පිටත ආයතනයක් මගින්ද පරීක්ෂා කරනු ලබනවා.
Here, rainwater is being collected to cut down water consumption. Linea Aqua cares for the habitat within which it resides, and one of the special projects undertaken is the rehabilitation of the Mulatianwala. This is a natural lake 45 meters from the factory where salvinia cover the entirety of the lake, distorting the natural beauty of the area and disrupting the ecosystem. Linea Aqua cleared the entire lake, allowing it to be utilized by the local community and wildlife to thrive. Yala National Park is the most visited and second largest national park in Sri Lanka. Drought took its toll on the park in 2014, where most of the park's lakes ran dry and the wildlife struggled with the lack of drinking water. Linea Aqua took the initiative to rebuild the lakes to hold more water during times of rain so that some reserves would remain even during droughts. 10 lakes were renovated and one was built newly, christened Linea Aqua Bava. The company's ultimate objective is to become a water-neutral company. Enhancing biodiversity is one of Linea Aqua's key areas of expertise. A project creating an ex-situ biodiversity conservation hotspot was initiated to improve the diversity within the factory while encouraging the more endemic and native varieties in the country. The Hiniduma Biolink project is an effort of the Carbon Consulting Company, along with Rainforest Rescue International, to establish a biodiversity corridor between the two large disturbed rainforest patches, Singharaja and Kanneliya in Sri Lanka. Boondala National Park is an internationally important migratory ground for winter birds, but there exist two invasive species called Apuntia delani and Prosophis juliflora. One of Linea Aqua's long-term projects initiated in 2008 is the removal of invasive species at Boondala. This project is still ongoing, and thus far 250 acres of the park have been cleared of these two species with the aid of the Boondala Urumaya Surakime Sangamaya, a community organization. Waste is a problem anywhere and everywhere. What can we do to reduce waste? At Linea Aqua, food waste is separated at the canteen itself to prevent it from going into a landfill. We make sure that we follow the 3R concept in reducing, reusing, and recycling. Most of all the waste produced is segregated at the waste segregation point and then sent for recycling. Some is baled and then sent for incineration at GeoCycle. Linea Aqua is certified in ISO 14001 and ISO 14064. The Boondala project was awarded the Best Social Responsibility Award Environment 2011, awarded by the Ceylon Chamber of Commerce. In 2014, Linea Aqua received 2 merit awards for Best Sustainability Project by the Ceylon Chamber of Commerce in recognition of Boondala and Mulatian projects. Linea Aqua also won the Best Environment Friendly Project at the Blue Dart World CSR Day, presented by the Global CSR Excellence and Leadership Awards in Mumbai, India, 2014. The company was also certified as a biodiversity and water conscious company by the Carbon Consulting Company. Building up a culture is no easy task, and creating awareness among a staff of around 5,000 is a considerable achievement. Linea Aqua continues to involve staff in all sustainability initiatives through inductions and other awareness programs.